Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Forget about that. Focus bodycoding live. Yeah, new footwork every day. Chill, chill. Are you ready? You remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready? First, watch the move. Today, jump number 7. Let's go. See for yourself first. Let's go. 1 second. Yeah, this is the move. This is the groove. Are you ready? Let's do it together. I'll switch the cameras. Let's do it together. Are you ready? Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right, doesn't matter. We start Suzi if you know, and if you don't know, let's go together. We cross. We step to the side. We cross. Now we tap. Now we jump with the left to the right and tap with the right. We jump and tap. Yeah. Now with the right. Cross. Open. Cross. Yeah, now tap. Jump with the right to the left. And tap with the left. Yeah. One more time. Cross. Open. Cross. Tap and jump with the left to the side. And tap. Yeah. Cross. Open. Cross. Tap. Jump with the right to the left. And tap with the left. Yeah, a bit faster. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5. We go down and we jump. 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 5. And we jump with the right to the side. 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Amazing. Amazing. This is the move. Yeah. Wait. You're still here. Even more amazing. Let's do another practice. Right now, face to face. I want to see you. Let's go. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah, but not doing your makeup. Practicing. Yeah, let's go. We start with the left. Let's go. We cross. We open. We cross. Now we tap. We go down. We jump with the left to the side. Jump and tap. Yeah. Now with the right. Cross. Open. Cross. We tap. We go down and jump with the right to the left. Bam and tap. Yeah. One more time. Cross. Open. Cross. And jump. Cross. Open. Cross. Tap. And jump. Yeah. With the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, let's give you some tips. With the hands. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's do it slowly now with the hands. We do cross. 2, 3. Now we can point with the opposite hand. We can point. Yeah. We can point. And then we jump. We switch. Switch. We point and we switch. Yeah. One more time. Other side. Cross. Open. Cross. We point with the opposite hand, with the right hand to the left leg. Yeah. And when we jump, we switch. We switch. Yeah. Again. Cross. open, cross, tap, and switch. Cross, open, cross, tap, and switch. Yeah, this is the handwork here. Yeah. Well, make sure to do it today. Yes, do this move today. But more importantly, if you're the serious student, check the full tutorial, free, forever for free, on YouTube. How can you do that? Check the link above to the sides below. And if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio. Go to the YouTube channel and search for this particular move. Jump 7. That's the name of the move. Jump. Yes, we jump. Number 7. Amazing. And I just remind you, these are universal moves. There's Marcus Body coding. We call universal moves so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, Rumba, whatever style that you want. Yes. And salsa, by the way, you can do it on 1 and on 2, because you can start with the right or with the left. Why can you do that? Because all the moves here in Marcus Body Coding are symmetrical. Yeah, they look the same to the right and to the left. For the same reason, it doesn't matter if you do the men's step or the women's step. You can still do these moves. You can start with the right and with the left. Amazing or not amazing? Whoa. Maybe I'm not that objective, but why do you care? You have this video, you can practice. Either way, practice today. Practice today. Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork, you have a new footwork. Every day, Marcus Body Coding Live. Yeah. So make sure you do this move today, in today's party. But what happens if you forget the move? What happens if you're in the middle of the party, dancing, you want to do the move, but you forgot the move? You can run to the corner, get your phone, or the second phone, get the phone, put the app, open Instagram, YouTube, whatever you see this video in, and practice with me on the floor. Yeah, doing whatever you want, that specific move. Then go back to the party. Yeah, feeling all confident. Yeah. And do the move. Yeah, own it. You practice it. You deserve it. Show off a little bit. Yeah, do this today. So you'll be ready to learn the next move, the new move tomorrow. New move every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. So let's see you tomorrow.